Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Heart Coding. Today I'm introducing a pet website design built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This website is fully responsive for all devices and comes with 17+ complete pages, including the cart page, contact page, checkout page, and many more essential sections. The design also includes amazing animations throughout the site, making the user experience smooth and modern. And in the Home section, I've added a clean and interactive image slider to showcase featured pets and products in a stylish way. If you want to check out the full design, you'll find the purchase link in the description box, where you can buy the complete template. There's also a live preview link, so you can explore the entire website before downloading. All right, let's take a closer look at this design.